Yimbi Snap. Yimbi. Hi banyana baka. Preparing for OTS. Currently akoyabaloy 3 a.m. We're busy. Naka installer. Arbone o pretendang go wetsa. Kyo le ko khona ngwale. Wetsa makeup. Say hi banyana baka. Isho mo. Sunburn it's hi banyana baka. Hi banyana baka. Isho's ne. Hi banana ka. Ushaja ngosingu banat. Ah pakaka. Oh titi. Okay, it's currently 3 a.m. I got makeup room. It's a with a makeup. I get to it's a makeup. Who busy? So we go Princess Sophia today. It's just our sign. We knocks. And I'm having a supposed to go 3. No man has cut sin. Ning for sin me. Aibo. I'm installing my Legos hairline because our princess ngempela ngenzi updo. Look. Kira updo. I get to determine. Hi princess. Hi mermaid. Bese uphuma kanjani? Ngitshela ngathi uphuma kanjani? Uphuma kanjani? Uthanda uphuma kanjani? Love it, Maneneza. Yes. Oh, hey, pass down. Wasn't that cute? That time I'm not even done. Mana sine uthi wena ungayikhulisa wena? Ngeke. Ngobani? Ingoma nezami ngiyadlula kuyisa. Ay bosne, you can't say that. Morning Mahle. Say hi banyana baka. Isho. Say hi banyana baka. Hi banyana baka. Isho pela Mahle. Hi banyana baka. Soon. Gaze shampo. Alibo. Lana nje nayo. Uyasifihla lo monye.
Siyabingelela ngenzawethu. Sicela ngoqala ungene kuleli khasi lethu wenza ubulungisa ucofa subscribe button le channel yethu. Hey ngenzawethu ke uDirelo bezama nje ukuthi akushuthe noma akhulume no Amahle kodwa Amahle ubonakala ezifihla ubuso ngesikhathi emshutha. Sikhumbula phela ukuthi ke ngane zakwethu ke nayo Amahle phela ungomunye wenkosikazi kaMfana kaMseleko noma ke nayo semalungiselweni ukuthi ke abe ingoduso kodwa ke uDilero kuvela ukuthi ke ngazi ukuthi ke